The master plan enables you to show the various stages in your master plan and track its progress. So I come into AssetWhere, and over on the right hand side is the layer manager, and you can see the master plan component. And if we look at stage 1 of the master plan, shown here as green buildings and classrooms, stage 2 of the master plan is shown in blue. And then when I click on stage 3 of the master plan, I can see a new classroom block development in yellow. I can then turn on the historical layer to show the prefabricated sheds it's going to be replacing in purple. And then when I select the construction site boundary, you can see it shows the full construction site that is not going to be available to the school across the actual construction period. I can then scroll down to imagery, and using the aerial imagery you can easily track the various stages of your master plan. So I've selected 2017, and now I'm going to start turning off various views here. The buildings, the landscapes, the AssetWhere college component itself. So now what you're seeing is the 2017 buildings in place. Then I can come back and select here the master plan. So I can lay that again over the top, select master plan stage 1, stage 2, and then stage 3. And then I can select the aerial imagery photo taken in March in 2025 and overlay this over the top. And here is the new building that's been constructed. And when I select historical buildings, I can see the prefabricated sheds it's replaced. So what the master plan enables you to do is track the various stages in your master plan, easily print the various views, and use these to brief your school board or new school principal or exec member about the master plan and its current status. And the best part is all of this can be done from the comfort of your own office.